So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capricorn singles, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of Feb 2026. Please keep in mind it's general reading, so it might or might not resonate. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Capricorn, overall energy for Capricorn people for this month regarding their love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. Seven of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Cappies, you guys are trying your best to protect yourself from being hurt again. At the same time, you guys are trying to start slowly but surely moving in this direction of finding the love of your life. And then your guards are so high that even if you're trying your best, you're not able to lower them down. It's like the moment you are trying to connect with somebody and things are getting a little bit serious, a little bit only. You guys are like scared as hell and you guys are like, okay, I cannot handle this. And then you guys are trying on the, you can say from the bottom of your heart, you are full of love, you are full of compassion, you have emotionally leveled up, you have emotionally matured, and now you are trying your best to like be in this energy for the rest of your life, but at the same time protecting yourself too from getting hurt again. Okay, so you have learned your lessons, you are emotionally intelligent and emotionally mature and grounded person now. So you guys are trying to start or restart a brand new chapter in this department, and at the same time you guys are trying your best to protect yourself, but protecting yourself energy is becoming more and more difficult to deal with, you can say, with time. It's stopping you from moving forward. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, newborn, new connection, Cappies. We have the Eight of Swords and Queen of Cups and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. There is someone around you who is having a lot of feelings for you. There is a lot of energy of what if me and Capricorn are going to connect with each other and we guys are going to have this kind of connection, we guys are going to have that kind of connection. Somebody is planning a marriage kind of a deal with you. Somebody is having a lot of passionate thoughts and energies towards you, but they can't stop thinking negative about the situation. They can't stop thinking, they can't stop overthinking about the situation. And okay, somebody around you is having a lot of feelings for you, all kind of feelings, right? And they visualize you as their person, they visualize you as somebody with whom they can spend the rest of their life with, but they're like they are in mental jail. They're overthinking, their negative thinking about the situation is continuously stopping them from reaching out to you. It could be someone that you already know. Maybe you guys are not romantically involved, but this person is falling for you actually, and they keep on thinking about you, about this situation, but their overthinking and their negative thinking is continuously stopping them from moving forward towards you, from opening up to you. Okay, let's see what we have. The Romance Angels. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Maybe not particularly about a particular ex. It could be like you have to release the energies of looking like you're not available, looking like you're not ready, even if you are from inside. You are giving this vibe, you're giving this energy to other people that you're not interested or you're not able to open up, or right now you are completely on a different zone kind of a thing. So you have to release those energies in order to make room for people to enter into your energy field and start a bond or connection with you. Okay, let's see what are your energies for somebody that you might be like stuck on from your past. We have the Lovers, the Eight of Wands, and the Sun card. Bottom of the deck is the Tower. So suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue, there are chances of you connecting with somebody from your past that you have a very very strong kind of connection with, very strong kind of relationship with. You guys had it, right? That's why you are considering yourself as single and watching this video. Obviously, there are very good chances of you suddenly out of the blue connecting or reconnecting with somebody that you love so much. Still you love them, still they love you, and there are very good chances of you guys clearing the air with each other. It's going to be very sudden, shocking and surprising to actually both of you, but there are good chances of reconciliation with the past person, past energy that you guys had some kind of misunderstanding or miscommunication kind of a deal with, but both of you are still connected to each other. It's not a complete no contact kind of a situation. Please don't mix these two things. This is something might be you guys had a misunderstanding regarding a third party kind of a dynamic, might be miscommunication, might be something happened between you guys and things were up in the air. Now there are quite good chances of you guys sorting it out with each other, clearing the air with each other, and then having this reconciliation kind of a deal. Okay, let's see from the romance angels. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. If you guys think like if you are going to take help from somebody, there is a situation that can improve, that can evolve or dissolve properly, you can take help. You should take help from someone who can help you in clearing the air with someone so that you can either move on completely or be with someone, in a very beautiful and positive way. So taking help is not a bad deal here. You can try that. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Cappies, for this month. We have the Four of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. Bottom of the deck is the Devil. This is your card only, Capricorn. You are the only sign with whom I can be normal to see the Devil card. Cool. Anyway, so the healing that you're waiting for, the opening up that you're waiting for is going to happen slowly but surely. You have to change your perspective. You have to change your point of view when it comes to the healing. You're healing, and you're not living your life actually. You're just so busy in healing yourself that now you're not able to integrate that healing into your real life. Now the time has come for you to integrate that healing energies into your 3D life and start seeing things from a totally different perspective, from a changed perspective, from a changed point of view, from a changed energy. You have healed enough. Now you know what you should do, and now you know what you should not be doing. If you're going to continuously wait for the right time is never going to come. The right time is now for you guys. Bottom of the deck is the Devil. Okay, you're so obsessed with the idea of healing yourself that you have forgotten that you actually have a life, and you should start living your life to the fullest, because now you got the lessons and the blessings and everything. Now the time has come for you to integrate the healing that you have done till this point of your life into your 3D world and start seeing things from a totally different perspective, from the healed version of yourself, and start moving forward, right? If you're going to continuously protect yourself, if you're going to continuously treat yourself as if you are in a race of healing yourself for the rest of your life, then you will never be able to enjoy your life. When you're going to start living, okay? That's the guidance here. Let's see the last message for you guys. Getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to others, your bond deepens. So it means don't be scared of being in a relationship. Don't be scared of being in this energy of moving forward. Okay? Start with a friendship kind of a deal. Get to know about each other properly and honestly. Take your time. Give them some time. Slowly but surely. Connect with somebody. Take things forward slowly but surely and see what happens, right? Again, you know now what you should do and what you should not do, what you should not repeat in your love and relationship area again, and now you're much more aware and much more healed than before. So get to know each other better before you are going to move forward too quickly. Don't be so slow that you guys are going to talk in 15 days, once in 15 days. Don't be so fast that you guys are going to talk for 5 hours a day. Find a middle ground, right? And then go ahead with that slow but sure energies. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.